The two most popular attribution models in mobile advertising is view-through attribution and click-through attribution. But what's the difference between the two? Let's find out. View-through attribution allows advertisers to attribute installs or actions from mobile advertising campaigns that are impression-based, such as video ads. By tracking the views on an advert and comparing it against the number of installs or purchases the app received within an attribution window, usually 7 days, view-through attribution allows advertisers to work out whether impression-based ads are offering value. Click-through attribution, on the other hand, is able to demonstrate the precise value of the advert by tracking clicks all the way through to the purchase decision. Click-through attribution offers a much simpler way to measure the cause and effect of a mobile advertising campaign. However, click-through attribution can have its drawback. While view-through attribution can sometimes overstate the importance of impressions to a business, especially if the attribution window is too generous, click-through attribution doesn't emphasize the effect of all advertising channels on the decision-making process. When used together, click-through attribution can measure installs that come as a direct result of viewing the video ad and acting immediately on the call to action that is part of the advert. Then view-through attribution can be used with the appropriate attribution window to measure installs and clicks that are a delayed result of viewing the video ad. Although click-through attribution and view-through attribution are two different models, they act like they're on different sides of the same coin. This means that advertisers need to look carefully at their attribution model to make sure they pick the right one for their campaign.